Well, right now we are using the angle grinder to grind off the heads of the rivets, and we're doing that after we have punched the middle of the rivet in. And I am also mopping up the ground in there. It's quite dirty after we took the seats out. 24 years of kid dirt and grime and nastiness. So
some moldy gummy bears.
Yeah.
Looking so good in here.
What's up? What's up?
So what are you doing? What have you been doing?
Well, we are trying to take the siding off, this stuff, and these are held in place, one by these guys, which is just like a big Phillips, and then also the rivets, which are on the side. What we've been doing is grinding them with the angle grinder.
That one, for anyone like me who did not know what an angle grinder was.
So you can grind the rivet head off, but I think there's still like part of it up in the middle. So we take this, put it in the middle, hit it, and then see, it goes in like that compared to this one, right? You can do this one. Well, that one don't want to go. We'll try this one. There, that one went.
This is a big Phillips for these corner plates, which are, you know, this is factory installed, so that's just to seal the corner. Same here, all the way down the line. So you need a big Phillips. Not your standard, but larger. Jumbo.
Big boy.
So this will tell us if the walls are in good shape or not. I'm expecting nothing but great things.
Tough one. Oh yes.
Some of them might not come all the way off without a little. If I didn't grind it all, it won't pop off, so I have to hit that just a little bit.
Woohoo! Yes.
Yeah.
Shine your light on that. That's a primer coat and a little overspray of the bus, so there's no rust here. That's perfect condition, it really is.
Well, hell yeah. Now we got all the little screws out. They're all gone. So now let's try to get it off. Chase is trying with one of those
I think it's called a cat claw.
cat claw.
Yeah.
So good. Is that black stuff just like rust prevention or something?
Yeah.
No, it's overspray on the paint. They didn't paint everything on the inside because it's getting covered. And that looks like galvanized, so we're good. See?
Wow.
Is that more better?
That's
Much better.
That's more
Okay,
better.
so look. Make sure tool away. Oh yeah, it's not too bad.
We'll double check.
The end of day 2.
Woo! Yeah. It's clean. It's clean. We got the seats out. We got a little bit of the side support out, so we could check out the beams. That way we were able to kind of look at the structure of the bus and figure out the, you know, how we're gonna do the roof race. So.
Roof race. It's gonna be crazy. So it's day 3, and we can't really do much more today. Yesterday we picked up the air chisel, but then
we thought we had a compressor that we could use, but it was my dad's compressor and it was too big because there's like a 90 psi limit on the air chisel, so we have to buy a smaller compressor that's the right size, so that'll set us back a day or so.
So we're trying to see if we can pick it up in the town, but we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. That's a volcano. So yeah, we got a rivet gun, but we need to get those guys out with the gun. And that will be all those, so we can remove the window and do a roof raise, because that will be the next step before we can do anything. Guess we are some tall mother truckers. We just got a compressor, but we have to put it in the back of the truck because it's too heavy to carry, because we're driving it, like, you can't see it, but somewhere behind that tree. It's not that far, but it's kind of heavy. She looks like a farmer. I love these overalls.
So we're just gonna run those hoses through the window.
So this is the compressor that we got, which would be a Kraftsmann.
For 120 bucks.
120 bucks.
Hopefully it works well enough. So we got earplugs in,
Gloves.
and gloves, and eye protection. And so first, what we're gonna be doing, taking out these rivets, and right in the center there's like a part that's keeping it there. So first we're gonna put this there and pop them in, and then after that the next person comes behind and cuts through it like that. So let's give it a go.
Let's do it. We need to find out how this compressor works.
And you'll be looking.
So it is day 4 working on the bus.
Today we will be taking out the rest of the rivets on the siding and the roof, hopefully.
I just came back from work and you've been going really hard.
That's right. We actually got pretty much all of the side paneling up. So, well, there's actually, so you can see I took out all the rivets along this entire piece. However, there's some rivets behind this, which to me, at first I thought it was a mini fire extinguisher.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Which I guess it kind of is. It is like a part of the fire suppression system on the bus. But yeah, over here it actually says it's a nitrogen actuation cylinder. And yeah, it's connected to the bus's fire suppression, I guess. There's this thing up here. So I was just trying to look some stuff up out here on my phone, and I couldn't really find too much about people removing their fire suppression systems on their schoolie. So If anybody watching this video knows about that, let us know. I can't just take it off because there's some weird wires and a hose attached to it, so I don't really know. I don't want it to all of a sudden explode or something once I'm messing with it, so I don't know what to do about that right now.
We realized that the generator was out of gas, so now we're going to Chase's parents' house, which is where we've been staying.
Are you pumpkin?
Yes. No. But you do look good in those overalls. It's the style for sure.
And we're back.
Take 2. The guy on Deadline was like, they're gonna find themselves in a real scrubberoo.
No. That's hilarious.
He said because she was fondling with her neighbor.
Hold down.
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Wires.
Oh.
So it's the end of day 3. We ripped up all the walls here. Woo! Ripped up all the sidings. We punched in all the rivets. We just have to scoop 9 more of them out like this.
Scoop.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work. So, I think today is day 5. And Esme's working. And I'm working out here. Finally got this piece of siding up. And the little fire extinguisher thing. And I just got done taking out the rivets for all the rows. So now we're gonna take the whole ceiling down, and I'm gonna use Esme's camera, this one, to record it, since the GoPro's dead.
I just got off work. He's gotten so far today. I can't believe it. Let's go check inside the bus. Oh my god. Holy shit. Speakers and the lights. Alright, one more time. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Cringy!